as a charity, I think we're no different in terms of many ways. The whole charity sector and businesses have been massively affected by COVID. And I think we've tried to remain as positive as possible throughout the time. We sort of take a positivity from Professor Craddock and patients who they want to hear us actually still being positive and fight our way through this, which is what we are doing and what we will do. And I think I try and explain this as maybe a big blip in the road for the last 5 or 6 months. I've been extremely fortunate, and the rest of the team have, in the last 7-8 years. Cure Leukaemia has just seen growth every year, and good news most probably every year, progress for patients, culminating with Deutsche Bank the last couple of years and the launch of the Trials Acceleration Programme. So it's a blip and it's a bump in the road, and I'm still excited about the future, and it has been tough, but we've got to find a way through it.
Now, obviously, with the postponement of the Tour de France for this year, and obviously the immensely popular London to Paris tour, obviously being postponed to 2021, it has left a large hole in the finances of Cure Leukaemia, though, hasn't it?
Yeah, quite definitely. And they're the two major sort of showcase events, I suppose, for us. We're looking at £1.5 million impact. Again, the positive to look at is that because of the relationships we have with so many people, long-standing supporters of Cure Leukaemia, is that we're extremely indebted to them all, whether it's London to Paris and the Tour de France, for everybody to really transfer over to 2021. And I think that the thing about Cure Leukaemia, as we've said before, is the Cure Leukaemia family, is that there are much bigger charities out there who have most probably found a far more significant impact of COVID because of these mass participation events. And I suppose we're lucky that I see this more of a deferment of income, and hopefully we'll have to go bigger and better for 2021 to make up for the shortfall for this year.